Hey, what's up? I've been using the CJRB Hectare-Alt Pocket Knife for some time now, and as a knife enthusiast, it's truly become an important part of my everyday carry. The 3.11-inch AR RPM 9 steel blade is incredibly sharp and holds its edge remarkably well, making it perfect for a variety of tasks including opening packages, preparing food while camping, or even cutting some wood to start a fire. One of my favorite things is the carbon fiber handle, which not only looks sleek, but also provides a lightweight and sturdy grip, ensuring comfort and safety. This knife weighs just 2.9 ounces, and the liner lock mechanism is reliable, giving me confidence that the blade will stay securely in place during use. So, if you're looking for a lightweight knife that can hold the hard work and has a sleek design, the CJRB Hectare-Alt Pocket Knife might be the right one for you.